Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and relaxation with the ultimate beanbag chair set. If you're on the hunt for the best beanbag chair in the market, look no further because we've got you covered with the Sofa Sac Plush Ultra Soft Beanbag Chair Set. Now, let's talk about what makes this beanbag chair set truly exceptional. First off, let's address the elephant in the room: comfort. Imagine sinking into a cloud of softness every time you sit down. That's exactly what you get with the Sofa Sac. Made with plush memory foam filling and a luxurious micro-suede cover, this beanbag chair takes coziness to a whole new level. Whether you're lounging, napping, or gaming, the Sofa Sac provides unparalleled comfort and support. And here's the best part: it's not just for kids. With its durable construction and spacious design, this beanbag chair is perfect for adults too. But wait, there's more. With a wide range of vibrant colors to choose from, you can find the perfect match for any room decor. From classic black to bright purple, there's a Sofa Sac for everyone. Now, let's talk about durability. Unlike traditional beanbag chairs that lose their shape over time, the Sofa Sac is built to last. With double stitching and premium quality materials, you can enjoy years of use without worrying about sagging or flattening. So, if you're ready to elevate your comfort game to the next level, look no further than the Sofa Sac Plush Ultra Soft Beanbag Chair Set. Trust me, once you experience the coziness of this chair, you'll never want to sit anywhere else. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy lounging!